When homeowners in Mesa start planning a remodel, they often focus on kitchens, bathrooms, or flooring. But one upgrade that delivers both immediate visual impact and long-term value is the installation of bow windows. Designed to extend outward from the home in a gentle curve, bow windows are more than just a design statement. They're a practical, high-return investment for Mesa homes. Designed for Mesa's bright, sunny climate, Mesa enjoys abundant sunshine year-round, and bow windows are perfectly suited to take advantage of it. Their curved design allows more natural light to enter your home from multiple angles, instantly making rooms feel brighter, warmer, and more welcoming. Natural light can reduce the need for daytime lighting, helping lower energy use while creating a more uplifting indoor environment. For homeowners who love airy living spaces, bow windows are especially appealing in living rooms, dining areas, or primary bedrooms where light and openness matter most. Boosts home value and curb appeal. One of the biggest reasons bow windows are a smart investment is the value they add to your home. From the outside, they enhance curb appeal by creating architectural interest and depth. Inside, they offer a sense of luxury and custom design that buyers notice immediately. In competitive Mesa real estate markets, homes with distinctive features like bow windows often stand out. Whether you plan to sell in the future or simply want to protect your remodeling investment, bow windows can deliver a strong return. Creates functional living space. Bow windows don't just look good, they add usable space. The outward curve creates a small nook that can be transformed into a cozy seating area, reading corner, or decorative display. Many Mesa homeowners use this space for built-in benches, cushions, or indoor plants that thrive in the desert sunlight. This added functionality makes rooms feel larger without the cost of a full room addition, which is especially valuable during remodels with limited square footage. Improves energy efficiency when done right. Modern bow windows are far more energy efficient than older window designs. When installed with insulated frames, double or triple pane glass, and low emissivity coatings, they help regulate indoor temperatures even during Mesa's hot summers. Properly designed bow windows can reduce heat transfer, keep cool air inside, and maintain indoor comfort, key considerations for Arizona homeowners focused on energy savings and long-term comfort. Customizable to match any remodel style. Whether your Mesa home leans modern, traditional, or southwestern, bow windows can be customized to match your aesthetic. Frame materials, finishes, glass options, and interior trims can all be tailored to complement your remodel. This flexibility makes bow windows an excellent choice for homeowners who want a high-end look without sacrificing design consistency throughout the home. Enhances everyday living. Beyond resale value and energy performance, bow windows improve daily life. They offer expansive outdoor views, create relaxing indoor spaces, and make rooms feel more connected to the outdoors. For families, they provide extra seating and gathering areas. For homeowners who enjoy entertaining, bow windows add elegance and charm that guests remember. A remodel upgrade that pays off. When remodeling a home in Mesa, it's important to choose upgrades that balance beauty, function, and long-term value. Bow windows check all three boxes. They enhance natural light, increase living space, improve curb appeal, and contribute to energy efficiency, all while elevating the overall look and feel of your home. If you're planning a remodel and want an upgrade that truly transforms your space, bow windows are a smart investment that delivers lasting benefits for Mesa homeowners.